Today I will show you how to make these lovely circular floating shelves. I used MDF and painted them black. I got these pre-cut from eBay. I drilled 2 holes and then mounted 2 screws and then another 2 screws perpendicular to those to stop the shelf from angling downwards. I then tightened the screws to make sure that the shelf is at a 90-degree angle to the wall. The 2 horizontal screws go through 2 horizontal holes that I drilled into the MDF. This creates quite a tight, secure fit and can hold up to about 1 kilogram, which is more than enough for a small plant pot. You can also adjust the screws to make sure it's near enough to 90 degrees. I then also place a protection layer on top, which is a piece of perspex cut to the same size, and I ordered this also from eBay. It holds the pot perfectly. Please like and subscribe for more.